In this guide, let's walk through deploying a React application to Vercel. Vercel is a platform designed for modern web projects. It's known for its ease of use and focus on performance. Let's see how to take advantage of it for your React projects. Vercel is a cloud platform specifically designed for front-end frameworks and static websites. It offers instant deployments, making it very easy to get your web projects live quickly. It also includes a global content delivery network, or CDN, with automatic optimization to ensure very fast performance all over the world. Before diving into the deployment steps, there are a couple of things you'll need. First, make sure you have a complete React application that is ready to be deployed. This means all your code should be finalized and tested. Also, your React application source code needs to be in a GitHub repository. This allows Vercel to access and deploy your project. The first step is to create a Vercel account. Go to the Vercel website, that is vercel.com. Once there, sign up using your GitHub account. This makes it easy to link your repositories and streamline the deployment process. After creating your Vercel account, it's time to import your project. First, navigate to your dashboard and click on the New Project button. From there, you can select your React application repository from the GitHub integration. Vercel will then connect to your GitHub repository, allowing you to deploy your project. Vercel will automatically detect that it is a React project and will configure the build commands for you. It typically uses npm run build as the build command and sets the output directory to the build folder. Additionally, you'll need to choose a unique project name. This name will be used in your deployment URL, so make sure it is relevant to your project. With the configuration set, you are ready to deploy your application. Vercel automatically runs npm install and the build commands to prepare your application for deployment. To start the process, click on the Deploy button. Once the deployment is complete, your React application is live and accessible worldwide. Once your app is live, you can take it to the next level by adding a custom domain in the project settings. Configuring the domain name system or DNS and secure sockets layer or SSL is automatically handled by Vercel. Vercel also offers auto deployments, meaning that every time you push code to your GitHub repository, Vercel will automatically deploy the changes. This includes both production and preview deployments for all branches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.